Well, that was interesting. So I guess it's just a great big pinata-like container that pops open, and so you reach in and grab out the products. Well, let's see what we've got. Fatima, what are you doing? Trying to get the out of here. My roll was stuck. How many of you out there have a camel that gets their muzzle stuck in the advent calendar? Let's find a crowbar. We'll be right with you. Okay, I am ready to see what is in this NYX calendar. That makes two of us. It's kind of like a pinata. I guess you just reach in and pull stuff out. So here we go. Hopefully I don't drop anything on the floor. First up is Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream in the shade Kitty Belly? If I read that right, that's a strange name if you ask me. This is V-Day Frosting. This is a lip oil in Follow Back. This says Butter Gloss. That could make a nice standalone product or a topper. Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. And I'm trying to get a look here in the ring light. It looks like it's full almost all the way to the top. Very nice. This is a butter gloss in the shade Meringue. And I do admit, this is kind of perplexing me because this is not what I would think for a color for meringue. Maybe I watch too many cooking shows. We got a eyeshadow palette in Warm Neutrals. This one is secured shut. We're going to leave it that way. Not necessarily our color story. So this is going to get passed along. It looks like, well, blinding everybody. This shade here has a little bit of sparkle to it. This is Cotton Swirly Butter Gloss. Interesting. This one is going to pique my attention and I'm going to have to play around with it. This is Milky Gloss in Cherry Milkshake. That's what she says. That's an interesting combination. I don't know if I've ever had a cherry milkshake. And we are down to the final two items in this 12-day advent calendar, and they're following along in the footsteps of a certain other brand because we have a makeup sponge. I will give it to them. It's in an interesting shape and there is a imprint on it. Can you see the snowflake? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I'm not a nail file. There she is in all of her glory. Oh, good grief. Okay, real quick, looking at the nitty-gritty, in all fairness, this was a calendar that we got on sale, so it was probably a 2023 calendar. That is a good possibility. Originally, this was listed at $70, which would make each item $5.83. We got it for $35. which makes each item $2.92. Now, on the NYX website, the butter gloss products, those are $6. So if we bought this at full price, we'd be paying basically full price for those products. That would not have gone over too well. Being that we got it at half price, $2.92, that's not bad for getting to try some of these lip products. What do you think? Let us know down below. Was there a value stated for this calendar? That's a good question. And I'm looking at my notes. I do not see a stated value. Then again, like I said, $2.92. Would I give you $2.92 for this nail file? No, not happening. Would I give you $2.92 for a lip product that I've not tried yet? Yeah, I would, being that it came all in the calendar. There are some of these that I will keep because I want to try them, and some that I will be passing along. The lip oil, yeah, I'd give you $2.92 for that. Would I give you $2.92 for their little beauty sponge? Probably not. What do you think? Comment down below. Thank you for watching today. Like, comment, subscribe, and notification bell, because we got all kinds of fun things coming along here this Advent season. Hope you're having a great day or night whenever you're watching this. Come back again. Come back soon.